Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the new and improved Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster. Got the box right here. Paula's Choice kindly sent this over as part of PR, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing if you also love product reviews. Paula's Choice describes this as their new and improved best-selling 15% vitamin C booster. It claims to brighten skin, improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it also boosts your skin's glow without irritation. You can find this at paulaschoice.com and sephora.com. A 0.67 ounce unit retails for $55, and I will be sure to link that down below for you. Paula's Choice suggests that you dispense 2 to 3 drops to the palm of your hand and then apply it to the face. You may add additional drops if you will also be applying this to the neck and décolleté. If used during the day, you want to finish with your SPF. You can also apply this to the eye area, making sure to avoid the eye area itself because it burns. I accidentally had that happen to me once and I definitely regretted that. This is one of my favorite ascorbic acid based serums. I think I have used perhaps 1, maybe 2. I'm certain it's 2 full-size units of this particular product. However, it has been reformulated, so I wanted to update my review. Why was it reformulated, you may ask? Well, Paula's Choice added an ingredient called ergothioneine, I think that's how you say it, to boost efficacy. This is a more stable formula as well, with improved packaging. It is more gentle, and it also claims to boost the skin's glow in 15 minutes. Key ingredients here we see ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, tridecapeptide 1, palmitoyl tripeptide 5, and ergothioneine. Ascorbic acid is pure vitamin C, an anti-aging, dark spot fading antioxidant. This ingredient is the gold standard, the most researched form of vitamin C. It has been proven to reduce wrinkles and discoloration. Concentrations between 5 and 20% can improve the signs of aging, discoloration, wrinkles, and loss of firmness. Ascorbic acid is very sensitive to light and air exposure, which is why oftentimes you'll purchase a new unit and then notice that over time it will oxidize. I recommend that ascorbic acid-based serums be used in 3 months to minimize oxidization and irritation. To further stabilize ascorbic acid, we see ferulic acid. We see this in many ascorbic acid formulations. They go hand in hand. This too is an antioxidant that helps defend the skin against environmental stressors. It helps inhibit discoloration. This formula is one of my favorites because of the peptides it includes. Tridecapeptide 1, as it targets the appearance of wrinkles, expression lines. With continued use, this peptide also helps to minimize the appearance of wrinkles. Palmitoyl tripeptide 5 visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles, encourages a firmer look and feel to the skin. Ergothioneine is an antioxidant that helps the skin appear more youthful, fades discoloration, and also soothes the skin. I have been using this for well over a month daily as part of my daytime skincare routine. When I initially revisited the serum, I noticed how clear it was. When I initially revisited this serum, I noted just how clear it was. It literally looked like water. With use, it has, of course, oxidized a very small bit after about 5 weeks of use due to air and light exposure. Similar to the first unit I tried, this has the same exact feel and texture, and I would even say smell It sinks into the skin almost immediately without leaving a filmy layer over the skin. It actually gives the skin a very nice glow. Of course, nowhere near the same glow that I get with the Drunk Elephant C Firma Day Serum, a glow that has actually gotten me loads of compliments recently. To further clarify the skin, I did pair the C15 Super Booster with the 10% azelaic acid booster. I will link my review to this product up above. I apply the serum first, and then I apply a thin layer of the azelaic booster before I apply my moisturizer and sunscreen. I typically just apply it to the forehead, maybe to the nose a wee bit, and to the chin area. I think that that combo has kept my skin from breaking out early on in the summer, and it has kept hormonal breakouts at bay. In today's demo, you will notice that I do have a breakout here, and I think it's because I was wearing a hat literally like the hottest day that we've had here today. So I'm thinking the friction just caused this minor breakout here. So I am briefly going to compare the C15 Super Booster to another Paula's Choice Vitamin C product that I loved and used very quickly. It is the 25% vitamin C and glutathione clinical serum. I will link my review to that up above as well. I recommend this serum to all skin types, normal, dry, combo, oily, those who are concerned with uneven tone, dullness, lack of firmness, and elasticity. The 25% vitamin C serum is a vitamin C derivative, so not ascorbic acid. Who should use a vitamin C derivative? Someone who has skin that simply cannot tolerate the topical application of ascorbic acid and is easily irritated, inflamed by it. If you cannot stand hot dog water-like serum like this, try the 25% vitamin C serum. Sensitive, reactive skin types may fare much better with vitamin C derivatives than ascorbic acid itself. Although the 25% vitamin C serum is a high percentage of vitamin C, it doesn't mean that you're getting 25% vitamin C necessarily. This derivative still has to convert itself to ascorbic acid within the skin. In essence, you're getting about 5% ascorbic acid once the tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, which is the derivative in that 25% vitamin C formula, converts itself to ascorbic acid. The serum still has brightening properties, so if brighter skin is one of your goals and you find ascorbic acid particularly irritating, that serum would be a great option for you. The C15 Super Booster contains 15% pure ascorbic acid that can be used alone or combined with your favorite moisturizer. C15 also boosts the skin's glow and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. My skin fortunately can tolerate both formulas, and it just thrives with both, but I will say that I prefer the C15 Super Booster because of the glow factor, and I love that it does not have to convert itself into ascorbic acid. From daily use, I have noticed plumper, brighter, firmer skin with a really nice glow. I primarily used Paula's Choice when I was testing the C15 Super Booster, but I have used the older formula with other ranges and it performed very well. I used this with the new Paula's Choice Vitamin C SPF, and it was such a good combo. It gave my skin a very lovely glow. My preferred way to use this was during the day after cleansing with my Alpha H Balancing Cleanser. I used the 6% mandelic acid and 2% lactic acid liquid exfoliant. I will also link my review to this up above for you in case you want to check it out. Then I used about 4 to 6 drops of the booster, and I used it both on the face, neck, and neck, and I followed it with my my favorite eye and lip products. Then I'd use 1 pump of the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream. I go through some summers where this is my moisturizer of choice, and I think this is the summer of Protini for me once again. Then I followed it, of course, with the 5% vitamin C SPF by Paula's Choice as well. It is an SPF of 50 and it does have a nice glow. If you love a glow, the combo is amazing. I would recommend the C15 Super Booster to all skin types who can tolerate topical application of vitamin C, who are concerned with the signs of aging, skin that's showing fine lines and wrinkles. If you're dealing perhaps with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, lackluster, dull skin, uneven tone, give this a try. My measurement for that post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation were a couple of spots that I had here from previous breakouts that were a little stubborn. This helped to brighten up. I do have perhaps another suggestion, which is the Maylove the Glow Maker, which is this unit right over here. I'll also link my review to that up above. The differences with this, I would say, are minimal. Similar feel. This is a lot more oxidized now because I've had it open for well over 5 months now. But the differences are that this has anti-aging peptides and the ergothioneine. This has neither of those things. We still see ascorbic acid, ferulic acid. But I would recommend this to younger skin that isn't necessarily seeing the signs of aging, who still has a lot of collagen and elastin, who doesn't need the anti-agers included here. So if you've got younger, more youthful skin but are just looking for some antioxidant protection, this is a great option, and it's also about 40 bucks. And you get a full ounce. If you are seeing the signs of aging, those finer lines, those wrinkles, I would recommend this instead. My pros here, I feel like this works just as well, if not better, than the older formula, and I think that it has again brightened up those dark spots I previously mentioned. Oxidation, I feel like, has been a lot slower, or at least it feels a lot slower to me. I have been opening this up once a day. Overall, skin feels firmer, plumper, and definitely a lot more glowy with the new formula. The older formula, I do remember it giving me more of a natural glow, whereas the new formula, I can definitely notice the glow. My con here, and this may have been a con in the older formula as well, is that I do not like that there's a $55 price tag for less than 1 ounce of product. I consider it a con, but I will say that 4 to 6 drops does go a long way. I have been using this daily for more than a month, and I think I am all the way up to here with use. So 1 month of use, and that's all I have used. Nowhere near halfway through this product. So you do not want an ascorbic acid product to last you more than 4-5 months at most. In a perfect world, this would last about 3 months, which would in essence be about $20 per month. I am going to rate the new Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster a 10 out of 10. I feel like it has delivered on its claims. It's not sticky. It sinks in really easily. It absorbs quite fast, and it gives the skin a very nice glow. Over time, it has improved tone, texture, and firmness. Let me know if you have used the new C15 Super Booster by Paula's Choice in the comments down below. What were your results? Did you notice a difference between the old and the new formula? I'd love to know that, especially if you are a long-time C15 Super Booster user. Would you also recommend this to others? Let's discuss. So that is all I have for you all today. Thank you so much for watching, for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell as well. I do upload every Sunday. Hit the like if you learned something new today as well, as it will really help the algorithm. I will see you in the next one. Bye.